Hello everyone, welcome to Lecker Treat and thank you so much for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we'll be making some fried yam with fish and shrimps at the side. It's very simple, easy and lekker recipe that will get your family excited. In my previous video, I shared with you how to prep and gut your fish before cooking. The link to that video is in the description box below. Let's get right into the video. For today's recipe, we need half a tuber of yam, we need oil, we need some fish, and I'm using red snapper fish, which I showed how to prep in my previous video. We need some shrimps, which has already been deveined. And for our spices, we need some dry rosemary, white pepper powder, some salt to taste, and we also need some flour to coat our fish. We'll begin by seasoning our fish with our rosemary, some salt, and black pepper powder. We'll wrap the fish very well with the seasoning, cover it and allow to marinate for at least about 15 to 30 minutes. Next, we'll be seasoning our shrimps. We'll be using some black pepper powder and salt. We'll also allow this to marinate for about 15 to 30 minutes as well. Next, we'll be working on our yam. I'll be cutting this tuber of yam into two and we'll be using the lower half of it. We'll peel our yam and wash it very well. After washing, cut it into your preferred size and place it immediately into a bowl of water to help prevent it from discoloration. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done so, and kindly turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever new videos are uploaded every week. So we'll be washing our yam a couple of times and then pour some water over it, add some salt to taste, mix it very well and allow it to sit for about 25 to 30 minutes. In a frying pan, we'll be pouring some oil, and once the oil is hot enough, we'll place our fish into it. We'll flip it after about 4 minutes. And after about 3 to 4 minutes more, we'll take the fish out. Into the same oil, we'll be pouring our shrimps. We'll just be frying this for 3 minutes as shrimps do not take long cooking. Be sure to stir from time to time. So our shrimps are done. We'll take it out and put it on a kitchen tissue to help soak the excess oil up. Next, we'll be pouring some oil into our pan and then drain the water from the yam. And once the oil is hot enough, we'll place our yam into it. We'll be stirring from time to time. We'll allow the yam to cook about 6 to 7 minutes depending on the quantity you put into the pan. We'll take it out after it becomes crispy. So our yam is done and we'll be having it with some tuna shito, some green pepper sauce, and some red pepper sauce. I have the recipes for my tuna shoto and green pepper sauce coming up soon. Our fish is all done, looks beautiful. We have our shrimps, which are so crispy and juicy on the inside. And of course, our yam is also done. Another simple, easy, and Lecker recipe. Please do give this recipe a try at home, and you will be glad you did. And to my best part, tasting the food. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and please subscribe, like if you enjoyed it, comment and share. Until I come your way again, it's bye.